At dealerships, there's always a higher chance of things going awry. Sometimes, the dealership staff may be at fault, while other times it could be the customers who are taking delivery. A recent example of this was spotted in Rajahmundry, Andhra Pradesh, where a Volkswagen Virtus was seen crashed on the road, right outside a dealership. It appears to be a case of a new car delivery gone wrong, resulting in the Virtus falling from a height of 6 to 7 feet and hitting its nose on the road. In India, obtaining a driving license is a fairly simple process and does not necessarily make one a better driver. The sloping driveway in front of the dealership seems to have contributed to the accident. Additionally, the excitement of taking delivery and other accompanying distractions may lead to users making errors. Another reason for such incidents could be the difficulty in understanding the advanced features and powerful engines that come with new cars like the Virtus. The majority of the impact from the crash was absorbed by the front bumper and then by the front wheels. It is unlikely that there are any structural damages to the car. Luckily, the car stopped on its nose and did not crash completely onto the road, which could have resulted in severe damage to the rear section of the car. Additionally, there are no scratches on the side and rear sections, which are in as good of condition as new. Repairs will be needed for the front bumper, grille, lighting, bonnet, and side fenders, and some components under the bonnet may need to be replaced. Getting hands on your new car is a mix of emotion and excitement, so it's always advisable to be careful before doing anything you are not familiar with. Thanks for watching.